What up, Crypto Warriors? It's Sergeant Crypto back at it again. Today is Friday, January 10th, 2020. Let me just start off by saying thank you for watching my videos, wherever you are, whenever you are in this world. Alright, so today had a talk with one of my best friends from the Marines. And although I think about cryptocurrency pretty much 24/7, I think that everyone around me thinks about crypto as well. Maybe not as much as myself, but at least in my head, I'm thinking that because I talk about it all the time, that they may absorb some of the knowledge, just through osmosis, so to speak. However, that's not the case, right? So this is why we have to educate the people around us about cryptocurrency. So this tweet right here is coming from Ben Askren. Give him a follow, right? And give me a follow as well on Twitter at SergeantCrypto99. But Ben Askren, former UFC fighter, wrestling phenom, was answering a question posed to him, and it says, is it too late to get in on Bitcoin? Nope, we are just getting the party started. Well, he is 100% right, because this is the belief of a lot of my friends and family members, that it's too late for them to get in on Bitcoin or just cryptocurrency as a whole. All right, the whole blockchain space and everything, they think that it's too late because Bitcoin's price may be out of their reach, or in the case of some of my friends, they've heard about Bitcoin back in 2010, 2011, and feel like, oh, they missed that 9 million% price increase from back then, so it's too late for them. But I'm here to tell you guys that it's not too late, because we are so early in this space that it's, I'm not saying that you'll get a 9 million% price increase from this point forward in Bitcoin, but there are some other projects out there that may still offer that same kind of opportunity. You just have to DYOR, do your own research. All right. And again, this is not financial advice. So yes, the party's just getting started. It's not too late. You could get in right now, and we're basically still on the ground floor, so to speak. National debt clock, $23.1 trillion. Now, I don't know if you could imagine what $1 trillion look like, but it's a lot. The debt is $23.1 trillion and counting. Keep that number in mind. So here we are. An article here from the Business Insider, and again, all these articles will be linked in the description below. So this is here's what it is. This is the stunning visualization. This stunning visualization shows all of the world's money, and this article is as of December 20th, 2015. So this is quite old. All right, so just over 4 years old. This square represents $100 billion. This is Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin back in 2015. And I'm going to show you another representation. It's kind of updated since then. All right, this is silver. Warren Buffett, Bill Gates, and Carlos Slim, they were the richest individuals in the world at that point in time. This is Berkshire Hathaway, Microsoft, Apple, Alphabet, and ExxonMobil. This is the Fed's balance sheet. So here it is. At the time, the world's biggest company, right? Apple is the world's largest public company by market capitalization at $600 billion. We all know that they've doubled since then, because Apple is well over $1 trillion now in valuation. All right, and the Fed here, they've been printing money. So these green $100 billion squares is pretty much off this scale if it were to go this way, right? Because they've been printing and printing and printing and printing. But I just wanted to give you a size and an idea of just still how early we are. All right, this is just 4 years ago, and this is Bitcoin. Wasn't even $100 billion then. Now let's take a look. This is demonocracy.info/infographics. All the money in the world, how much the world is worth, the flow of money during financial crisis, net worth of world's richest people, net worth of world's biggest companies, the liquidity pyramid, aka Exter's inverted pyramid. So here we have $100 $100, and I highlighted this because I thought this was so appropriate, especially from the video I posted earlier, right? And in pretty much all my videos, $100, the most counterfeited money denomination in the world, the most widely used storage of value in the world for drug dealers, keeps the world moving. So there you have it. It's not Bitcoin, and to this day, a lot of my family members still and friends still think that Bitcoin is only used for illicit activities. But the number one currency in the world that's not only being counterfeited but used for illicit activities is the US dollar. And in this case, it's a $100 bill. Here we go, $10,000. So that's 10 racks right there. Let me zoom in a little bit. This is I guess the height of an average human being, the average man. And this is $100 million. $100 million, plenty to go around for everyone. Fits nicely on an ISO military standard size pallet. So $100 million is what's on a pallet, getting on cargo ships or cargo planes. And this square right here is $1 million wrapped up on the floor. So that's what $1 million look like. This is what $100 million look like. This is not a building, by the way. If you're thinking this is a building, this is not a building. This is, my friends, $1 trillion. So remember what I said when I said earlier in the video to remember the number of $23.1 trillion. Imagine 23 of these. This $1 trillion is 465 feet tall. So I had to look up how tall is 465 feet. So 50-story building, here we go. 50-story building is 656 feet tall, or 200 meters, right? So how tall was this? 465 feet, 142 meters. A 40-story building is, here it is, 404 feet tall. So just about 45 stories is the height of $1 trillion. So you could stack 23 45-story buildings on top of each other to get the size of the debt for the U.S. government. And the U.S. isn't the only one, obviously, in debt, but it's has the largest debt. So this is what I'm talking about when I talk about how early we are in this crypto space, because just the debt alone of the United States government is ridiculous. $14 billion, and this is Bitcoin's market cap back then. I should have had this up earlier. Let me here we have it. Bitcoin's market cap is now, it's 10x since then. In January 2017, the market cap was $14 billion just for Bitcoin. It's 10x since then, and right now the market cap for Bitcoin is $140 billion. The market cap for crypto as a whole is $202 billion. We are so early. We're so early. I'm not going to read this. I'm just going to scroll down and show you guys. Again, here we go. The Bill Gates and the Warren Buffetts of the world, the Carlos Slims. And these numbers, they are dwarfed now because Bill Gates have well over 100 billion and Jeff Bezos have like 120 billion, so it's ridiculous now. All right, and still, here we go. This is 100. This is what 100 billion right here. 100 million. Yeah, 100 million on the pallet. Crazy. World's biggest companies. There we go again. And this is as of January of 2017. Look how tall this is. $2.5 trillion in cash value for gold investments. Taller than the Empire State Building. I mean, the Statue of Liberty. My bad. This keeps going. I'm just going to show you how early we are in crypto. It's when you're speaking of the world's money flow, the world's money, the size of all the money in the world, all the paper money in the world, taking into account all sorts of assets, right? Because Bitcoin and crypto are their own separate assets. So you have private businesses, private real estate. Look at this, $290 trillion. This is crazy. We have one quadrillion value of all derivatives in the world. This is insane. That's all the money all the money's in the world. 1 quadrillion equals 1,000 trillions. My goodness, 1 million billions or 1 billion millions. It's nuts. So here we go. This is gold right here, and gold right now is about, at this point in time in history, was about 2.7 trillion. Right now gold is about $7 trillion. And still, you could say crypto and Bitcoin is like the size of the flagpole on the bottom half. Okay? So when you're talking about the risk reward, right? The risk reward, yes, people talk about the fluctuation of the Bitcoin price. It goes up and down. If I put my money in, I'm going to lose it. And all, you can't think of it in that sense. Think of it in, okay, if it's less than half, I'm talking about all of cryptocurrency here, less than half this flagpole here, look at how much room we have to grow in if Bitcoin starts absorbing and crypto starts absorbing a lot of the world's wealth. That's the upside we have for cryptocurrency, and this is why I believe in Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies as a whole, the whole blockchain space. Yes, I got into it, I came for the money, right? Because I saw a lot of people getting rich in 2017, but it's more than just that now. Like I was explaining to my homie earlier today, that yeah, once I took that deep dive down that rabbit hole, I started to understand more about the monetary system and just how messed up everything is, and that yes, Bitcoin and crypto, other cryptocurrencies can, well, mostly Bitcoin can lead us away from that crazy system that's currently being ran right now by the world's banks, right? But when you're talking about an investment, as an investment, Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies have nothing but an upside. It's more risky to put your investments in, say, the stocks or equities than it is right now, in my opinion. This is not financial advice, in my opinion, than putting it in something like Bitcoin, because of all the upside we have. And I wish I had a way to animate this to show you, right? That's why I'm moving my cursor around so much. This is the upside we have for cryptocurrencies. It's ridiculous the amount of upside we have and the amount of growth we have left. If just talking about Bitcoin, if Bitcoin takes just, I don't know, 10% of all of this, it's just going to be nuts. So this is why I tell everyone, stack your sats. Okay? You may not be able to afford a whole Bitcoin, but there's only 21 million that's ever going to be in existence. So if you could get, $50 worth, $10 worth, whatever it is, all right, a few thousand Satoshis on a weekly basis or a monthly basis, you are well ahead of the game, because we are still so early. You're not late. You are not late. So don't think that you're late because you didn't get in on Bitcoin when it was, under $1 back in 2011, 2010. We still have plenty and plenty and plenty of room to grow, not just with Bitcoin, but with other cryptocurrencies as well. And as always, do your own research. Do your own research and understand that yes, it is risky, all right? But it's those that take the risk, they're the ones that reap the rewards later. Again, not financial advice. And thanks for watching. Let me know what you guys think, man. Leave your comments in the comment section below. Let me know what you think. If I'm crazy, all right? And yeah, man, this I don't think I'm crazy, all right? I don't think I'm nuts. I definitely see the growth and just the tremendous amount of room left to grow with Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. It's your boy, Sergeant Crypto. As always, thank you for watching. Smash that like, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, share this video, have a discussion with your friends and families. And yeah, you can see it. Remember, Bitcoin and crypto is all the way down here. All right, less than this flagpole. And all of this right here is gold. So there you have it. Peace.